Good morning, dear students. A few doubts were there related to the transformation of degrees of comparison from our students. So, today I would like to explain this particular concept. We have already learned from the grammar book. There are three divisions in degrees. One is positive, another is comparative, and the third one is superlative. In a simple manner, if we take an adjective, mainly, usually, these forms are used with adjectives. So let us say, if we take a word, heavy, heavy is the positive, and heavier becomes the comparative, and heaviest becomes the superlative. Along with the comparative, we also use than, the word than after it. And along with the superlative, before that particular word, we use the. Let us say the heaviest. In comparative, heavier than. Now let us try to turn a sentence from positive to comparative. When there are two things individually mentioned, we can have a change from positive to comparative. The example given here is John is as tall as Mike. Which is the adjective given here? Tall. You know the comparative form of a tall is taller. So with that particular form, we have to change this without changing the meaning of the sentence. If we say John is taller than Mike, then it will change the meaning. The normal use, very often students make this mistake. Tall, convert that into taller. So the comparative form is made. That is the idea of many. But that will change the meaning of the particular sentence. If we say John is taller than Mike or Mike is taller than John, it will say that one of them has got more height. But here, John is as tall as Mike. So we have to say Mike is not taller than John. Or even if we say John is not taller than Mike, both of them are right. Now let us try to change all the three degrees. The first sentence is very few countries in the world are as large as China. So here, China is compared with many other countries. So in the comparison, we can say China is larger than many other countries in the world. Large is the adjective used here, so we use larger. Very few countries we have changed it into many other countries. But still the sentence meaning remains the same. And when we come to the superlative degree, we are pointing out China as one. There are many countries which are large. Out of that, one is China. So we can make this a sentence like this. China is one of the largest countries in the world. The sentence you might have noticed, very few countries in the world are as large as China. It does not mean that there is no country like China. That is why this particular usage we have made. Another one sentence I would like to present before you. Rekha plays badminton better now than when she was much younger. You see, here the word better is the comparative form that is used, and also younger. But the main word which we are going to take is better. Rekha plays badminton better now than when she was much younger. I have rearranged this sentence. I have taken the second clause first. When Rekha was much younger also, I have changed it into young. She didn't play badminton. Now you see, better is changed into the positive form, that is good. You know, good, better, best. These are the three forms of good. So, she didn't play badminton as good as now she plays it. In order to get the clear meaning, I have added this particular clause. Sometimes that idea can be clear even if you say up to now. When Rekha was much young, she didn't play badminton as good as now. That also almost clears, but still would go for the perfection with this usage. So dear students, with these ideas about degrees, please try to change the questions that are there in the question paper. I was so glad to hear the doubts from your side. I hope you have understood and clarified your doubts. So keep on asking doubts. Till we meet next. Bye-bye.